Most people think success comes from working harder. But what if I told you you can achieve more by doing less? It's called the 80-20 rule. And once you understand this, your life will never be the same. Here is what the rule says: 80% of your results come from just 20% of your actions. Let's take the real example. Rahul runs a small online store and he sells 10 different products. But when he checked his data, he realized that 80% of his total profit was coming from just two products. So instead of wasting time managing all 10 products, he focused on managing and promoting those top two products. And within in just 3 months, his sales doubled. Not because he worked more, but because he worked smart on the 20% that truly mattered. The same applies to you. 80% of your happiness come from just 20% of people, and 80% of your learning comes from 20% of books or videos. The key is find that 20% in your field and go all in on it. So stop trying to do everything. Start identifying the few things that give you the biggest results. Because in the end, success does not come from doing more. It comes from doing what matters most. Thank you.